Smellies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. My name is Jayla, also known as Jay Shalani on the internet, so that is where you can find and follow me. And hello to all of my new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I really appreciate you. But let's get right into today's video. So Melanin Hair Care is a natural hair care company that was founded by Natural 85. Natural 85 is an OG natural hair YouTuber, y'all. I was watching her when I was transitioning, when I was thinking about going natural back in 09. So she is such an established name in our community. I have so much respect for her. So when she decided that she was going to launch this brand after 6 years of developing the products, I was in heaven. I know I had to get it, so I went ahead and pre-ordered. When I got my package, I got these two beautiful info cards. These are stock cards with a beautiful note on the back. I'll go ahead and read that note to you real quick. Do y'all want me to read it? I don't know. Do y'all like to be read stuff? I don't want to be reading y'all. Y'all was just like, I don't know why you reading that to me. She also included this melanin lollipop that she has in the stock card, which I thought was super cute, y'all. I can't decide whether I'm gonna eat this or save this because like I'm a treat. This is a treat. Anyway, so that's all that came with the package as well as the products. So I ordered the two hair products that were included in the original launch. This is the Melanin Twist-Elongating Style Cream, and this is the Melanin Multi-Use Pure Oil Blend. So these are the two products that we will be talking about and reviewing today. I will also include clips of me actually using the product, and so you can see how I achieved this style that I have today. So the very first product that we're going to talk about is the Twist-Elongating Style Cream. You get 16 fluid ounces for $16.99, so you're paying a little over $1 per fluid ounce of product. And the price point is okay for me as a startup brand, as a Black-owned business. I'm okay with it. I'm gonna pay the coin, okay? So the first thing I can tell you is that the product smells like very faintly like cocoa butter. It does have a couple of other butters in it. I'll go ahead and leave all the ingredient lists on the screen, but it smells very faintly like cocoa butter, which is completely fine to me. I actually prefer more fruity tropical smells, but this smells natural, and she really emphasized that this line is going to be natural, it's going to be non-toxic, you're going to be able to pronounce the ingredient list. So I give her props on that. Some things that this claims to do is to be lightweight, to be elongating, and to make your hair more manageable. Now, I'll include some clips of me actually using this product. I do believe it's lightweight. I used it about 3 or 4 times. The first time was just moisturizing my hair into quadrants. The second time I was actually applying it as I was twisting. The third time was me retwisting my hair to get more body and more volume the way I like my hair to look. So I did use it a couple of times, and my hair does not feel weighed down. It is super lightweight. It was not building up and gunking up. You know, when you twisting your hair and your hair is not actually absorbing the product, so it just sits on top of your hair. This did not do that at all. This soaked right into my hair, so I can definitely say that it does that. I absolutely agree that it gives you some definition. I actually twisted the back of my hair first and then took them out because I was like, I don't want to do this. I don't want to individually twist my hair. I'm not about that life. So when I actually took out those twists after like 5 minutes, they had already started to hold the curl. So definition, check. Lightweight, check. The only thing that I can't speak to is the manageability. I personally think my hair is already very manageable, so I can't really say that this made my hair more manageable. I'll play with it a little more and get back to you on that. The next product that we're going to talk about is the oil blend. This is the multi-use oil blend with baobab oil, argan oil, and vitamin E. This smells like super duper diluted tea tree oil. So it smells fresh, almost to the point of smelling minty, but doesn't smell minty, if that makes any sense. I absolutely love this. Again, this says lightweight, non-greasy, and it's a sealant, of course, because it's an oil blend. I agree that it is super lightweight, non-greasy. I applied this 2 to 3 times on my hair as well. I applied it to the quadrants, applied it after I twisted, and applied it to my hands when I was doing the takedown to reduce frizz. I agree that this is lightweight. I think this lives up to all of the claims that are on this bottle. It says that you can use it different ways. You can use it as a hot oil treatment. You can add it to your favorite conditioner. You can use it on your body. So I would definitely be playing with this and seeing all the uses that I can get out of this. My camera died. I have no idea where we left off. Yes, I did change my eyeshadow because your girl wasn't feeling it, and I gotta be feeling it in order to, you know, give you my all. I have to feel it to give you my all. Anyway, so I was saying that I'll insert clips of me actually using the products. This is how I styled my hair for today. Again, I originally did a flat twist out. So I applied the Twist-Elongating Style Cream to each of my sections first, followed it up with the Pure Oil Blend. I twisted each of my sections, again applying the same 2 products in the same exact order. I let that dry for about 2 days. I then took it out today using a little bit of the oil on my hands. As you can see, this is what my hair looks like when I originally took down those flat twists. I believe that I have definition. This is what a lot of people want when they have first day hair. I personally hate first day hair. So I went ahead and applied a little bit more of each of the products to put my hair into 5 plaits. I plaited it up, I let it sit for a few hours while I did my makeup, and when I took those plaits out, I got this. So we have a nice fluffy fro. It picked my hair out a little bit with a comb as well. This is my perfect everyday hair. I don't want first day hair, I don't want second day hair, I just want hair day hair. So I am very happy with what I've gotten from these products so far. I will of course continue to use them and continue to update you. If you're looking to get these products, 10 out of 10 recommend, 10 out of 10. You didn't even need me to tell you that really, because Natural 85 is such a trusted figure, such a trusted source in this community that you already knew whatever she was gonna give us was gonna be bomb.com, and I'm just glad that I can confirm that. So congratulations. If you ever happen to watch this, which you probably won't, but anyways, a girl can dream. Congratulations to you, Whitney. I'm so very proud of you. So happy to have you in my life via YouTube. The next video that y'all probably see from me is a protective styling video, because I don't want my hair off long. I'm gonna give it a week, and then we're gonna have a protective style in my hair. So let me know down below which protective style you want to see me do next. I just did spring twist, so if you haven't already watched that video, go ahead and watch that video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.